What if I told you that your diet is not the real reason you can't lose weight, your gut is? Yes, you can eat salads, avoid sugar, try intermittent fasting, and still see zero results if your gut health is poor. And here's the scary part, most people have no idea their gut is silently working against them. Let's fix that today. Because once you understand this, your body can change faster than you think. Have you ever said something like, I barely eat, but I still gain weight, or, no diet works for me? It's frustrating. You start a new plan full of motivation, follow it for weeks, and then nothing happens. So you blame your metabolism. You blame your genetics. Sometimes you even blame yourself. But what if the real problem isn't how much you eat, it's how well your body uses what you eat? Here is where your gut enters the story. Inside your stomach and intestines live trillions of tiny bacteria. Don't worry, many of them are good. In fact, they act like a hidden health army. They help digest food. They control hunger. They support your immune system. They even influence your mood. Most people don't know this, but your gut is often called your second brain. Now imagine this. If the good bacteria are strong, your body burns energy smoothly, absorbs nutrients properly, and keeps inflammation low. But if the bad bacteria take over, your body becomes confused. Fat burning slows down. Cravings increase. Energy drops. And suddenly, even a healthy meal can get stored as fat. Strange, right? Here's a quick question for you. Have you ever felt extremely sleepy after eating? That is not always normal. Sometimes it's your gut struggling to process food. Let's make the science very simple. Think of your gut like soil in a garden. If the soil is rich, healthy, and full of nutrients, plants grow beautifully. But if the soil is damaged, nothing grows, no matter how good the seeds are. Your diet is the seed. Your gut is the soil. Now you see why no diet works when the soil is unhealthy. But wait, it gets more interesting. Myth number 1. Many people believe that bloating is normal. It happens after every meal, so it must be okay. No, occasional bloating can happen. But daily bloating is your gut waving a red flag. It is a signal, not something to ignore. Let's do a quick self-check. Your gut might be unhealthy if you notice these signs often. You feel bloated even after small meals. You have constant sugar cravings. Your stomach feels heavy. You deal with frequent constipation, or the opposite. Your skin suddenly breaks out. You feel tired even after sleeping. Or your weight just refuses to move. Surprise, how many of these sound familiar? Here's something shocking, nearly 70% of your immune system lives in your gut. So when your gut is weak, you don't just struggle with weight, you get sick more often. Now imagine trying to build a strong body on a weak foundation. Simply doesn't work. And if poor gut health continues, inflammation quietly increases inside the body. This makes fat loss harder. Hormones become less balanced. Your body starts holding on to fat as a protective response. And the worst part? Most diets actually make gut health worse. Especially extremely low-calorie diets. When you suddenly starve your body, the good bacteria don't get enough fuel. They shrink. Bad bacteria grow faster. And cravings become stronger than ever. Which leads us to myth number 2. Eating less is not always the answer. Sometimes eating smarter is. So what can you do starting today to heal your gut? The good news, you don't need expensive supplements. You don't need complicated plans. Small daily habits can completely change your gut. First, feed your good bacteria. They love fiber. Add simple foods like fruits, vegetables, oats, lentils, and whole grains. Think of fiber as fertilizer for your inner garden. Second, include fermented foods. Yogurt, kefir, traditional pickles, idli, dosa batter, these contain natural probiotics that bring more good bacteria into your system. Third, slow down when you eat. Here's a pattern interrupt for you. Did you know digestion actually starts in your mouth? If you rush meals, your gut has to work twice as hard. Chew more. Eat calmly. Your stomach will thank you. Fourth, reduce ultra-processed foods. Packaged snacks, sugary drinks, artificial sweeteners, they can disturb your gut balance. You don't have to be perfect. Just be more aware. Now here's a tip most people don't know. Walking for just 10 minutes after meals can improve digestion and blood sugar control. Simple. 3. Powerful. Let's go deeper with a few pro tips. Pro tip number 1. Stop fearing carbs completely. Healthy carbs like bananas, sweet potatoes, and rice actually feed good bacteria when eaten in the right portions. Your gut prefers balance, not extremes. Pro tip number 2. Hydration matters more than you think. Water helps fiber do its job. Without enough water, even healthy food can make you feel constipated. Pro tip number 3, and this one surprises many people. Your stress levels directly affect your gut. Ever had butterflies in your stomach before something important? That is the gut-brain connection in action. Chronic stress can weaken good bacteria. So protect your peace. Deep breathing, sunlight, laughter, prayer, meditation, choose whatever relaxes you. Because a calm mind supports a healthy gut. And here is something hopeful, your gut can start improving in just a few weeks when you treat it right. The body wants to heal. You just have to stop working against it. So instead of jumping from one diet to another, pause. Fix the foundation. When your gut becomes stronger, hunger becomes more stable. Energy rises. Cravings reduce. Fat loss feels more natural. And for the first time, your diet begins to cooperate with your body, not fight it. Remember this simple line, don't just focus on eating less. Focus on absorbing more. Your future health is being built by what you do daily, not occasionally. Start small. Maybe add one fiber-rich food tomorrow. Chew a little slower. Take a short walk after dinner. Tiny steps create massive change. And one day you'll look back and realize, your body was never broken. It just needed better support. If this opened your eyes, don't stop here. Your health improves when your knowledge improves. So subscribe to this channel for simple, science-backed health videos that actually make life easier. And watch our next video, your body will thank you for it.